In this video, I will show you how to embed a YouTube video in a WordPress site. The easiest way to do so is to copy the URL of the YouTube video and paste it into the page or post. It should automatically display the video. Publishing the page and going to the front end shows that it works. However, if this doesn't work, you want to select the Embed option by clicking on the plus icon and input the URL there. You can also select the Custom HTML option. Go back to the YouTube video, right-click and choose the option Copy Embed Code and paste that into the custom HTML box. Now, if you update the page and go to the front, you will see the video there as well. That's it.